Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can create Effie Trinket from the Hunger Games Undress Room Press. I'll show you guys how you can create the butterfly dress one. It's obviously not going to be similar because we don't have like a butterfly pattern. So what I did is I used the tiger pattern because it is orange and black, which is the color of butterflies. So let's remove everything here. For the hair, I just used this hair in this color FF2C2, which is just this one. And then let's get ready for the fit. Okay, so for the outfit, I just use this one in the top only because it looks very similar to her like butterfly-esque top. And then you can either use this one or the turtleneck in VIP. I'm just going to use this turtleneck from VIP because that's what I used. And then I'm also going to use this dress here in this color and then in black, and then the rest in like this orange color. And then I'm just going to use this skirt in black, this skirt in that same tiger pattern. For the shoes, I used the code item, if I'm not mistaken. This one in the toggle leather, and I just colored it all black. And for the gloves, I used this one from VIP in this blaze pattern and in black. And then I used this, but I only used so I turned off the head and then the mouth and the chin. Well, maybe add the chin one or not. I don't know, it's up to you. And color it orange and maybe brown. I don't know, maybe another orange. But that is how you can create Effie Trinket's butterfly outfit on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.